What is this called in English? The correct answer, wrench. What is this called in English? That tool is pliers. What is this called in English? It's an adjustable wrench. What is this called in English? The answer is socket wrench. What is this called in English? That tool is Allen key. What is this called in English? The correct answer is hand saw. What is this called in English? The answer is hacksaw. What is this called in English? The correct answer, rasp. What is this called in English? It's a mallet. What is this called in English? The answer is crowbar. What is this called in English? The correct tool, pry bar. What is this called in English? The answer is bolt cutter. What is this called in English? It's a wire cutter. What is this called in English? The correct answer, wire stripper. What is this called in English? The answer is crimping tool. What is this called in English? That tool is heat gun. What is this called in English? The correct answer, caulking gun. What is this called in English? It's a paint roller. What is this called in English? The answer is paintbrush. What is this called in English? The correct answer, ladder. What is this called in English? That tool is wheelbarrow. What is this called in English? The answer is shovel. What is this called in English? It's a spade. What is this called in English? The correct answer, rake. What is this called in English? That tool is hoe. What is this called in English? The answer is trowel. What is this called in English? The correct answer, pickaxe. What is this called in English? It's an axe. What is this called in English? The answer is hatchet. The correct answer, chainsaw.